Hey guys, what's going on? Just want to show you the new toy 59 Oldsmobile camper. All handmade. The guy parked it in 1968. Just getting ready to strip it out and redo it. Kind of a neat deal. This back folds in. It says flush. So it's that 59 Oldsmobile car. It's got a Ford straight axle in the front, 1 ton. I don't know if we can get underneath there or not. Got a Chrysler engine. And it's got a Chevy 1-ton rear end with leaves in the back. We're going to start ripping this bad boy down and get her going again. Still got fairly decent interior in it. It's got the Wonderbar radio, power windows, power seats. This should be a pretty cool cruiser when she's finished. I don't think we're going to do much on the body. We're just going to redo the inside on the camper part, put a newer motor and tranny in it, and roll it. I'll keep you updated on how she goes, guys.